Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created this pink glam makeup look. I used the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. So I'm starting off by moisturizing my face using the Pond's face moisturizer, and it's the one in the pink box. I like this moisturizer. It moisturizes my face pretty good and it feels soft. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell. I upload on Monday and Friday every week. To prime my face, I'm using this e.l.f. poreless primer, and I'm gonna apply it to where my pores are. I feel like this primer, it goes a long way. I did like one pump on my face and I spread it out. Once I started to spread it out, it felt silky and it kind of took a while to blend. So for foundation, I'm using this LA Colors Radiant Foundation in the shade Ivory, I think. To prime my eyelids, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. To set the concealer, I'm using this Nicka Perfection Finishing Powder. And the reason why I'm setting this concealer is because after it sets, it gets dry and it gets tacky, and it'd be hard to blend the eyeshadows. So I'm using this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. If you follow me on Instagram or you see my Ipsy video, you've seen this. And I'm using this pink shade and I'm gonna apply it above my crease. I like to pack the eyeshadow on and then blend it out because it makes the eyeshadow look better and blend better. Next, I'm gonna take this dark pinkish reddish shade. I'm gonna apply it into my crease. I'm gonna cut my crease using the same Maybelline concealer. Now I'm gonna use this light pink shimmery shade and I'm gonna put it to where I cut my crease. I didn't spray the eyeshadow with setting spray. This is how it naturally looks. Now I'm using my Benefit Cosmetics mascara to apply to my lashes. Right now I'm just adding some concealer under my eyes and on my chin and on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. And I'm gonna set it using the same finishing powder. To contour, I'm using my Absolute New York contour palette and I'm taking this shade to contour my cheekbones and I'm using the Wet n Wild contour brush. I'm using LA Color Stroming Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Champagne to highlight my cheek. Using LA Color setting spray to set my entire face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, comment, and share this video. And follow me on social media. And I will see you guys in my next video.